Below are the cash flows of two projects A and B. So below are the cash flows. You are required to calculate crossover rate. So you know what do you mean by crossover rate? The rate at which the two curves in the NPV profile intersect each other. So suppose this is the curve 1 and if this is the curve 2, then this is the rate at which NPV of both the projects are equal, and that rate is called crossover rate. How are we supposed to calculate it when nothing is informed? Then you have to calculate a A minus B. You can also calculate a B minus A, will end up getting the same answer. And you have to calculate basically the difference of both the cash flows, and then you have to calculate IRR of the difference, and then you will get your crossover rate. So we will be doing over here, since cash flows of B are bigger than A, relatively it gives me a mental satisfaction to calculate a B minus A. So I will do that. Minus 8,000, minus 5,000, the outflow is of minus 3,000, 1,000, then a 1,000, then again a 1,000, and then a 1,500. Okay. So CF second clear work, 3,000 negative, enter arrow down, 1,000, a positive, enter arrow down, 3, enter arrow down, then a 1,500, enter arrow down, IRR compute. The answer is 17.159 or 17.6%. So B is the correct answer. Have your reasoning.